Ha ha ha! Surprise! Hi everyone, it's Natasha Bersic, and in this video I'm reviewing a one-of-a-kind doll that's a Joker character from the latest movie. Halloween is over, but I have a reason to try on a clown look, because this scary-looking box has arrived. Honestly reminds me of a cute wooden coffin. You can see the box is painted black on the front, and there's a writing that says, ha ha ha, in red that looks like it's blood. Joker laugh meets us already on the box, and there's also an interesting vermilion wax seal with the letter F, named after the author of one-of-a-kind doll Sasha Phyrexia. Remember Bersoween? Yes, that exact contest competition for Halloween that took place in 2015. That is when I learned about Phyrexia because she was a contestant in that creative event. Here's pics of her artwork. So happy that the Joker I got is from Phyrexia, because her one-of-a-kind dolls are primarily grim, distinctive, and creepy. Exact criteria needed for Joker. Why Joker, you ask? Not necessarily because every year I get some kind of villain for my collection, but mostly because I really took a liking to that character from the latest movie. I am not a big fan of the superhero theme, but the latest Joker is not a superhero movie. It's more of a psychological thriller about why and how a person slowly turns into a villain. I would even call it an acutely social piercing drama that sucks you in, exposing our own fears, and you leave the movie theater feeling desperate and hopeless. Joker, portrayed by Joaquin Phoenix, is different from Joker in the comic movies. We have here a real-life Joker, and that's even scarier. After watching the movie, I knew I wanted his character doll, and so I'm glad I did it, and now I have this package in front of me. I haven't seen the doll, by the way, so it will be a surprise for both you and me. So I don't see the doll yet, but there is a candy. Thanks, I'll enjoy it. And the very beautiful card that comes with the doll is a certificate, to be exact. Very high quality, like it was professionally printed. Looks factory made, not homemade. Stunning handwriting, beautiful wax seal. There are also my doll's pictures here, but let's not look at them just yet. I want to see the doll first. There's another treat hiding under the card and pictures. Now is the time for all of us to see the doll. By the way, the most attentive of you already probably know which doll is used for the one-of-a-kind doll. It was written on the card. Surprise for the rest. Here he is. The Joker? She is, to be exact. More sweets, I love it. The doll is packaged in plastic. More plastic wrap on her head. Need to be careful not to ruin the makeup. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Her stare is foggy and mad. Of course it is mad, just like Joker's. This one-of-a-kind doll is made on the Cleo de Nil. I specifically wanted it this way because Cleo has a wide face shape. I like Joker's clown makeup done specifically on wider faces. Maybe that's why I'm obsessed with Joaquin's Joker. That's exactly what I wished for. I am very happy. By the way, I usually write a biography as if one-of-a-kind doll is the character's daughter, but it is not Joker's daughter this time. I feel Joker's story is scary and realistic and fulfilled enough that I want exactly that story from the movie to live through this doll. So this is simply a female version of Joker, or maybe a girl that is cosplaying Joker. Nah, costume playing doesn't fit her. She is exactly that mad, rejected, sad girl that despite everything must put on a happy face. Some of you might wonder, why wouldn't I order a male one-of-a-kind doll if I wasn't going to create a daughter's biography? So the thing is, I'm very picky when it comes to that. If I chose to get a primal character for the collection, it has to have full resemblance, something like Hot Toys action figures. Take a look at these previous Jokers manufactured by Hot Toys. This most recent Joker figure is made by Toys Era. The figure from this brand is more simple than Hot Toys, but still looks amazing, and I love that there is a no makeup version. Not sure yet if I should get him. Right now I'm focusing on adding more one-of-a-kind dolls as my favorite characters to the collection. That is why I chose one-of-a-kind female doll and chose Cleo for her face shape. As the author Alexandra Popova Phyrexia put it, I will get a sad doll of a sad psychopath. Perfect. She is looking very sad, for real, indifferent, but at the same time I get an impression she can burst into her mad laugh at any time. When it comes to clown makeup, there are a few versions of it in the movie. There's a neat version, there's one with smudges, that is the one my doll has. So for example, the top triangles are even, but the brows are smudged just a tad. Also smudged triangles under the eyes and the clown smile. I like this version of makeup because it looks more miserable. I got so obsessed with the look that while in LA for Halloween, I would grab the jokers from the crowd to check out their makeup, and one was my definite favorite. He was accompanied by Harley Quinn as a Joker character himself from the latest movie. It was a little embarrassing, but I had to kick Harley Quinn out of the picture to make it only with Joker. He was really awesome. By the way, I picked Cleo because she has human color skin tone. It was important for me that the white makeup should be applied over the natural skin tone. Check out her interesting painted brows. The clown makeup triangles are applied over them. Also, I want to draw your attention to her eyes. They are gray with white eyelashes. Sasha managed to paint them to look like real 3D white lashes. They look amazing. The doll's hair is rooted with partial glued on pieces. You can see the rooting along the edge of the forehead and glued on the back. There is a part rooted in the middle. Hair is made out of dyed goat fur. They are slightly wavy, which is suitable because Joker has slightly wavy hair too. As opposed to the male Joker, my female Joker has pretty long hair. The combination of green hair and the doll's face looks very pretty. Let's check out the outfit that also came out, very look-alike and authentic. Let's start with the jacket that Sasha borrowed from Monster High doll Claudia Wolf. I should give it to her, it fits in perfect. To make a jacket is hard. Let's remove the jacket and check out the outfit details that were custom made. Next detail is an orange vest. There are 3 metal buttons on the front of it. The best part is that the buttons are real, not an imitation, meaning there is no snaps or Velcro under them. The vest buttons up using just them. The shirt is green and has hand painted by Sasha Designs, just like on Joker's shirt in the movie. Looks very similar, especially in the collar. I love the cuffs. Look how precisely they're done. The shirt has buttons on the back, not front, same as on a vest, small and cute. Then the pants, they are made out of a more thick fabric. They are red with a Velcro on the back. All the clothes items fit perfect and are great quality. She is wearing perfectly fitting character green shoes from Scara Screams. Let's check out the pictures that Sasha attached to the card. We can now. Awesome! Look at the picture in front of the graffiti. She looks stunning. Oh my goodness. There's also paintings. Sasha's paintings because she's an artist. This is Sansa Stark, by the way. I watched Game of Thrones, so I know now. These 3 girls look like banshees, like Scara Screams. And this is the exact picture with her dolls that participated in the Bersoween contest. I remembered it and told you even before I knew Sasha attached this picture with the package. That was cute. Thank you, Sasha, very much for fulfilling my idea and that I now own a doll now that I dreamt of. So happy about it. I hope you like my cute Joker as well, because I simply love her face. Look how pretty she looks on the picture. Wide face shape just like I wanted to fit in all of this wide clown grin. I will give Sasha Pharaxia's link in the comments for you all. Follow her, get inspired because Sasha is an artist. She creates dolls. Her approach to making one-of-a-kind dolls is always unique and very creative. You might possibly find something for your collection. Give thumbs up if you like the review and if you want more of them. I am in my special reviewing mood right now, so if you encourage me with your likes, comments, and participation, I will make videos more often. Smile more. Today this wish sounds a little creepy, but I do wish you a happy, genuine smile. Bye bye everyone!